So for my first step, I'm just gonna be washing my hair. So I'm just gonna mist my section. So I'm gonna be using the vidIQ comb to detangle. I'm just gonna pick out my ends. So when I'm done detangling, I just twist my section. So I'm gonna show you guys what my hair looks like when I'm done. Alright y'all, so these are what my twists look like. I did them like jumbo size because like I didn't want to take so long doing them, but yeah. That's what they look like. So I'm probably gonna use a do-rag to go to sleep. Me splitting my twist in half to see how it looks, and then yeah, so. Alright y'all, so it's the morning right now. I just woke up not too long ago. I used a bonnet to go to sleep to protect my hair, but yeah, this is what they look like. So what I'm gonna be doing right now is I'm gonna be doing a twist out. I'm gonna take each and every one of my twists and split them in half to get a nice defined curl. Twist outs are great because if you guys want to take a break from like gels and like other products, twist outs will get you like a dry curl and not like a super wet one that like gel would get you. So yeah. So to eliminate frizz, I'm going to be using Crown and Glory hair oil. I'm going to rub it on my hands and then I'm going to begin to twist out. So during my twist out process, as I was splitting my twist, I didn't really like how it was looking, so I just went back on each and every one of them and just like split them again. And then it gave me this like more bigger look and like this more like afro slash curly look, which I really liked. And then to make my hair look better, I also got a fresh lineup, and then I also pushed like my hair in the front like back, so like it can show my lineup more. You guys will see in a second. Alright y'all, so I just finished my twist out. This is how my hair is looking. I love this. This looks amazing. But yeah, this is the end of my video. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave it down in the comments and I will surely answer you. Make sure to save this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys on my next video.